If you're in healthcare, spinal innovation matters more than ever. From minimally invasive tech to global growth, the spinal implants market is on the move. The global spinal implants and surgery devices market is valued between $12 and $14 billion in 2024, set to reach nearly $20 billion by 2034, with a steady 5–6% annual growth. What's fueling this? The world's aging population, rising cases of spinal disorders, and a surge in minimally invasive and 3D printed implants. Healthcare investment and smarter reimbursement systems are accelerating adoption. North America leads, holding roughly 49% market share, thanks to innovation and a growing elderly population. Europe's focus is on safety and advanced biologics, while Asia-Pacific, growing fastest, embraces new tech as healthcare expands. Industry giants like Medtronic and 𝗘𝗺𝗏 shape the market, but competition is fierce, especially in minimally invasive and smart device segments. Spinal innovation is accelerating worldwide, driven by technology, demographics, and demand for better outcomes. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.